So in this video we are going to unbox HP wired keyboard, and this is the combo pack of keyboard and mouse. So let's check what's inside this box I got from the Amazon. And the quality of the keyboard is very nice. The quality of the keyboard is very nice, and the finger placement is also very nice. Although the keyboard is very smooth, and we also get the extension of the stand if we want to raise the height of the keyboard. In this keyboard we also get the mouse, and the clicking sound is a little bit higher, but the mouse and the keyboard quality is very nice according to the price. So you can check in the description below. I have bought this product from the Amazon, and I got around about approximate about the 900 of price. This is the back side of the keyboard. These both keyboard and the mouse are from the HP company. You can check the description. So thank you for the joining in the video.